we're still waiting on those two.
Supplies requested.
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to get that, am I? Well, shit. Who knows? We'll find out.
Sun will set shortly.
Oh, this is cool.
Supply drop complete.
Oh, fuck. Ah!
Sniper, where?
Oh, no. Guys. Good. Work was just a bit stressful. Oh, no. Is this the sniper battle? Ah! Woohoo! Real good thing I got smoke. Oh my goodness. Guys. Oh shit! I think this is it, fellas. I think this is when we battle Quiet. Shit. What is gonna happen here? What is gonna happen here?
Boss, you okay? Could it be that sniper? Quiet. Quiet. Our silent assassin. Where's the sniping point?
Shit!
Supply drop complete.
No, I need supplies on me right now.
Marker placed. Marker placed.
What? Did she move? Oh, that's just for up there. I'm not gonna be able to get that. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna use a shit ton of smokes. Because this is what you technically do. Where am I gonna go from here? Seems like I might need to go over here.
Marker placed.
Oh my goodness! Markers. Not what I need.
Marker placed.
That's it, grenades.
Look out, boss. Take cover.
Shit!
There's a laser sight trained on your head.
I'm gonna get up close to this bitch, and I'm gonna take her. Okay, I wish I could get in a little bit closer, but...
Supplies requested.
Man, you know what's one thing that they really could have done with the fire support? They could have done a smoke. How am I doing? Oh my goodness, I'm doing great. But I'm trying to get close to this bitch so I can fucking take her out. That's not gonna work at all. Okay, I need to get...
Weather will clear shortly.
Come on. Grab him. Grab him all! I'm waiting for a sandstorm. She moved. Did she move? Oh, this is definitely quiet. You can hear it in the background. Oh my god, this is the boss fight! Okay, okay. Whew. Sorry, this is gonna be my first Metal Gear boss fight, alright? Tactically speaking, this is exactly... She's gone.
Sniper just disappeared. Zero visibility. If you can't mark him, you don't stand a chance. Stay sharp.
He's back up here. I'm getting you, Quiet. I'm fucking getting you. Shite. Come on. Oh! Damn! Just back up on there. Yep, back up. I wonder if I can get up behind her. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh shit! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Where are you at? She's right there somewhere. Where's she at though? Shit! Oh my god, guys. So the thing is that you can't let her see you, or else if you get too close, she's gonna move. And that's the thing, you have to get up behind her and shoot her in the head, like, multiple times. Oh my goodness! This boss fight, though. This freaking boss fight. I don't even need a suppressor. Shit, she's gone, she's gone. There she is. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for the own guys to get to this point. Man, if only I could get back up to her again. Cause that was a headshot. There are boss fights in MGS? Yes, there are boss fights in Metal Gear Solid. Who do you think you are? Where are you going? Where are you going? Right around here. Jump! Oh, I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her.
Caution. Sandstorm approaching.
Oh, shite. Sandstorm. Oh, shit. See if I know where she is. I can get her. She's quiet. Where the fuck? Okay, I don't have any idea where she's gonna be. Shite, shite, shite. I'm just gonna have to wait it out. That's really a cat and mouse game. For reals though, like, I don't know what to do, especially with the sandstorm. I need to get, oh, so that's how you change it, okay. I'm literally a sitting duck. I have no idea where she's gonna be at all. I have to wait this sandstorm out.
Weather will clear shortly.
I just hope she doesn't realize that a box in the middle of nowhere is totally inconspicuous.
Disappearing sniper. Don't let your eyes fool you.
Dude.
Boss. The enemy's still there somewhere. Use your binoculars. NVGs are Noctocyanin to see through their tricks.
She up here? No? Where the heck? Oh my goodness, lady. Please move. Oh. I think I saw her. There you are. How far are you? Woohoo!
The sniper that good using a laser sight? It's like Quiet's trying to say, the next one will kill you.
God damn it. Game. Let me do a thing. See, now if I rush this, there's gonna be no way that I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna wait till I get at least 60 meters or closer so that I can actually get a somewhat decent headshot. Oh my goodness! This game is so freaking good. Where you going? Come on, Quiet. Where are you going? Shit! Is she right here? She's gotta be. Oh my goodness. Very quiet. I'm no use. God damn it! Shit. Where'd you go? I bet she's way the fuck over there now, isn't she? She's definitely back over there now. Maybe? Shit. She's running. She's reperched. Yep, reperched. Go! Boss! Get out of there! Boss! Dolphin dive! Yep, she reperched. Oh, there you are. I see you now. See if I can hit it from here. Only if I'm a freaking crack shot. Maybe. No, because every time she gets a chance to spot. That's how it goes. Alright. I see how it is. I see how it is. I see how it is, Quiet. I see how it is. Don't worry. Cause I'm gonna stun you good. Come on, up, 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 up. Don't you run. No. Damn it.
Plant expansion complete. Supplies requested. Development project has been added.
In the middle of a boss base, or in the middle of a boss fight. Alright, I need more shit!
Supply drop complete.
I'm not gonna worry. Oh, wait. Was that smoke
Specify
grenade?
project.
Yes.
Please select a drop point.
Wait for that one to drop before I do another one.
Please specify a project.
That grenade. I need that grenade.
Please select a drop. Supplies requested. Supply drop complete.
On here somewhere. Found her. Now imagine doing this your first time. You haven't seen any quiet shit before. This was your first encounter with her. Dude, I could not even imagine. Sorry, I have to fix my my thing. The thing is I don't even know how far she is.
Marker placed.
222 fucking meters. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to her to... God damn it, Snake, you're supposed to be used to this shit. No! Don't shoot me! Oh, god damn it. I thought that was gonna work, but apparently not. Oh my goodness. Okay. What's going on with God damn, Tyler. Stop Facebooking shit. I'm gonna get to you from here.
Watch out.
Oh,
This
shit.
quiet means business.
Hopefully it'll pop right there. If not, I need another right there. And she's gone. She up here? No. Oh, she's right there. Why does why does this show that my suppressor's on? There we go. Where'd you go, Clay? Didn't go right over here, did you? Ah, damn it! Taking that shot to line up is just too long. I need to make sure that I don't, like... Oh shit, where'd she go? And now I need to watch the stream to figure out where she went. There she is. Come on. It's the wrong one. Shit, how am I gonna get... Come on, Snake. Come on, Snake. Come on, Snake. Oh my goodness. Quiet, please don't run off. Please don't run off. Did she run? No, she did.
Caution. Sandstorm approaching.
She's up there. I gotta wait out the sandstorm again. Love how this is a completely optional one. Yeah, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to get her. So shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. See, now this is where she can play with you because she has the advantage here. She can see through this. I can't. It's good to know that she can also see through boxes. She's got to be over here somewhere. Just go. Poop D-horse. Not doing anything useful. Shit. I have to wait for the storm to go away. There's like not much that I can do.
Clear shortly. Supplies requested.
Oh, fuck! God damn it.
Supply drop complete.
Fine, you want to play this shitty game? You're on top of here, aren't you? Oh, I know you are. Question is where? I see ya. I got her. I got her. Or else she wouldn't have ran. Damn. Fusion, how are you doing today? Oh, we're trying to fight Sniper. Oh, shit. Quiet, I mean. This has literally been the toughest thing in my entire life. I wish I had those stun grenades. It's gotten me 3 or 4 times. I do not want to climb that, because she'll definitely see me. She'll see me on that side at least. Damn it! Ah! No! Drop! Drop, 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 drop! Oh, shit. I almost got him. God damn it, quiet. Shit. Yep. She's gone. Every time I try to pop smoke now to move, she's gone. Found her. Yeah, I need to get up closer to her. That's what I need to do. Be right around here. Where'd you go?
Sun will rise momentarily.
My goodness. She run again? Yep, she moved. There she is. See her. You saw her? No way that I'm gonna be able to get close to her from here. So I'm just gonna have to bait her. Dude, look how good we got her. We almost got her, guys. Yes. Yes. The level design. Thank you, level designer, for putting a giant rock in my way. I love it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get her. We're gonna fucking get her. You just fucking wait. We're gonna fucking take you out. What? Yep. Oh, we got her. Got her a second time. Just a couple more shots. Two. This is gonna be a hard one. Yep. As right as I do that, she moves. Thought she went up there. But I could be wrong. She's ground level. I thought she was ground level. It's close. Come on. Start talking, bitch. One more hit. We got one more hit into her. She's gone. She on top of there? Yep. She's on top of there. Right there. Yep. Oh my goodness, I'm all bloody. I don't even know if I can throw. Can I even throw a grenade up there? No? What about a smoke grenade? No. I really want to get her. Problem is that I have to come in on the same, like, viewpoints that she is, which isn't good. Please, quiet. God damn it. No! Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Where is she? There she is. Shit, shit, shit! Quiet, go down. Next shot, if I can get it. She's down! She's down!
Did you get her? With those abilities of hers.
Arrived.
No doubt about it. She has to be one of the Skulls. Now move in and finish your boss. She's working for Cypher.
Where'd she
It's
go?
a valuable source of information, boss. There's no need to kill her. Think carefully. This is
Oh,
your
I already
decision.
know that. I mean, yes, I could be like, God damn it, bitch. You shot me, but fucking Christ. Go to sleep. Hey.
The female sniper. Quiet. Cypher's assassin.
That's definitely not a Trent gun.
Finish her. She's one of the Skulls.
No!
Kill her.
I don't want to!
Killing her would be a waste.
I'm gonna bring her back to base.
Here. Boss.
I'm gonna bring her fucking back to base. I did put another trank dart in her face, to be honest, so. No! Take the bullet out, take the slide off, throw the gun away. I'm just gonna slap you like a little baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh yes. Come on. Let's get out of here.